Do you mind taking the shells and taking them to the dumpster, because we're not going to keep that? They're all dusty from the barn.
No, we might need those shelves for storage.
No, we're going to find a house that has shells. We don't need to bring that.
No, those are good shelves.
I work in sales.
I work in marketing. I have a marketing agency. I'm the more analytical one. Stephanie is quite the opposite.
He calls me a volcano because I explode, and then I was born in France, met Robert in college. We have 3 children.
Madeline, when she was 8 years old, she became ill. She developed a autoimmune illness. It was really very serious for a time. She couldn't walk.
We already had a horse, and she was riding at the barn. But when she got very sick, we decided to bring the horse at home.
Horses are very therapeutic animals, and very therapeutic for Madeline in particular.
So now she's on remission. She's healthy. She's an athlete. It's a miracle.
It was a lot of work, but it was kind of a labor of love. So especially with Madeline out of the house, because our daughter's gone off to college, this is an opportunity for us to create some change and move to a house where we can have more recreation, more free time with the kids.
What do you want? Do you want a pool? I want a pool, okay? I don't want to work in the yard. And I don't want projects. I want a Provençal or all brick, European-style house. Not because I'm homesick, but it does feel homey to me.
I'm more, kind of classic American. Those traditional homes, that's what I grew up around, and that's what I'm attracted to.
Soul. I want a house that has a soul. When I go in, I feel it's the one. Just like when I saw you, I felt you were the one. It just took a long time for you to realize.
But we need to take into consideration what the kids want, too.
Henri wants a home theater and a gym, and Alex wants a green grass for playing soccer. And I know it's hard because I want to be closer to the city, proximity to my work.
Social life, restaurants, shows.
And I don't know if we can fit that in a budget.
This house that we have now could probably sell for at least 1.2. So we can afford to spend a little bit more than
But I was looking at a break-even.
I think we could go as high as 1.35 or maybe even 1.4.
You're not going to win this one.
Well, we'll see about that.
I'm happy because it's closer into the city, so that's
good.
plus. Now, the price, 1.3, I think it's a little high.
I think that's easily within our budget.
You have to get to it. If the pool table doesn't fit, goodbye.
We'll find a home for it.
Yeah, we'll find a home for it. We can find a new family for it, find a home for it. We can find an adoptive family for it.
I don't think so.
Free to good home. Landscaping is very nice. It's very well maintained.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Nice house.
It is, right?
Pretty. It has a European feel to it.
It's not the kind of American traditional.
Right.
But it already feels simpler than where we are now. Oh,
Yeah, there's
wow.
some great updates in here.
It's pretty. The molding.
This house is so different from what Rob and Stephanie are used to, but I think we've got, a good one here. The farm has so many memories, and for them, that will always be their cherished home, and it might be a good idea to go completely different.
It's an open concept, so the kids can be watching a TV or a movie, and we can be cooking or sitting there. I mean, I really love that. We don't have that right now.
I love these countertops.
Yeah, these countertops are very,
Right.
very
This is
nice.
granite?
This is granite, right?
Really
Yeah.
feels more, kind of urban, chic.
Yeah.
Being closer into the city.
Right.
I really like this.
This now gives you
Oh, wow.
your indoor, outdoor entertaining space.
is really
I
nice.
really
I love the
like
double
it's
doors.
a brick patio.
Yeah.
And it's very flat. Alex can play soccer there. No swimming pool.
There is no pool, but we have very limited inventory, and it is a good property to add a pool if you chose to.
Yeah, we could add a pool.
Coming into the dining, I think your grandmother's table would work really well here.
It will work here. It has that cozy, chic, it's modern, but it has a country, French, chic. I like it.
You've got a bedroom here with an ensuite bath.
Nice
That's an
bathroom.
updated bathroom. I really
It's
like
a
that.
very nice bathroom.
You do have another bedroom as well. Now, they would share a bathroom.
And I'm fine with that. You know, it's one less bathroom for me to clean.
To the primary across the hall. And it
Oh, that's
does
really
feel
nice.
like your own little retreat.
This is a beautiful vaulted ceiling. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Let's go home. We're done.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's great
This,
to have
this
this.
is really what she loves.
Sarah.
Here's the carpet.
Here's the carpet.
Right. But it's not for the whole house. It is just in this section. So you could replace that with an LVP.
Yeah,
Right.
I've installed LVP. That's
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
pretty simple. This is a great room. I
Yeah.
love the fireplace, hanging out with some guys and
Yeah.
shooting some pool.
Right.
Yeah, it's super nice. I love the renovations.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they're amazing.
The only thing I'm concerned, and you need to tell me what you think, it's the overall space.
But we talked about having less to maintain, so that
Yeah.
you know gives us an option for doing less.
But I really would like a pool.
Rob and Stephanie are seeing a place their oldest kids found online. But it's 1.5 million and an hour away from Atlanta.
Wow, this is a lot of house. You're
Look at
gonna like
that.
this house. I mean,
The
this
real
is
shutters, like the one we had in Provence. Oh, I love this. It's beautiful.
this is kind of an intense house.
It is large and it might feel intense. We've got 7 bedrooms, which includes a detached, like, ensuite.
Okay.
The kids have good taste, you know?
Yeah,
and
they
I
have-
previewed, so I'm excited to show you.
Look at the arch. It's pretty. Very
Then
pretty.
look at this. Your grandmother's table would work
Yeah.
nicely in here.
Yeah, the table would be happy here. Ooh,
This is a big space. Wow.
this is huge.
This is really bright. Wow.
And then it's open to your kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen.
Double oven, 6 burner. That's nice. These colors though feel kind of dated.
This is your primary bedroom.
/ basketball court.
Right.
That's a really high ceiling for
That's
a
huge.
bedroom.
What is that thing?
This is a built-in closet.
That's kind of hideous.
A little dated.
No, it's very dated. It's not a little bit dated.
And closet is through here.
House this size and there's only one closet.
One
for the
walk-in
primary
closet?
bedroom. That's not very much.
This is a bonus room.
Looks like it has some built-ins.
Yep.
and
Right.
It's wired for speakers. This is really nice.
Right.
Stephanie, one thing you have to realize is at this price, the carpet stays. There is
Oh, the carpet will have to
no
go.
chance. No, there's no chance
Oh,
that we're getting rid
I'm
of
not
carpet.
living with carpet ever again.
Yes.
I mean, that's a lot of cleaning. It's, you know who's doing the cleaning? It's me. It's a big house. We want time for us, not have to worry too much about how much house we have. This house will be more cleaning than I have now. And Robert is probably gonna trade the tractor for a vacuum cleaner. I know why the kids brought us here. They want us to see this.
Yeah.
My goodness. The basement's over the top. Theater room, weight room, the pool room was very nice. I'm just not sold on a $1.5 million home.
This is what I've been wanting to show you,
Wow, that's special.
right?
This is a really amazing
So
space.
this reminds me of our vacation home in Provence where you had a lanai like that. This is beautiful.
Let's check the pool. Don't let it scare you.
Ooh,
It's dirty.
it's dirty.
It has a lot of leaves.
But really, I want you to see the space, right? I want you to
Yeah.
see this lifestyle, okay?
This is
Yeah,
breathtaking.
it's a very pretty house, but we can't afford projects.
I think with a little bit of negotiating, we can get this at a price that you'd be more comfortable with.
It's also location. And
Right.
This is rural.
Yeah.
That's this one.
So it's the house right here on the
Yeah,
right?
look at that.
Wow, it's right,
You barely can get on a driveway with the gate open.
right next to the gate.
That's not a great start.
I love the look of this home, all brick, traditional. This is beautiful. The stonework, the landscaping is really,
But I don't
really
like
nice.
too many gables. I don't feel the European
European vibe, no.
No. Or the door entry. Or
Hey, guys.
Hey, Sarah, how you
Sarah,
doing?
how are you?
Good. Come on in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a real entryway. Look
Oh,
at
wow.
that.
Yeah.
Right, right.
It's pretty.
So you've got like 20-foot ceilings here.
Oh, wow.
Nice molding all over.
Yeah, no,
it's
there's
pretty.
great
Yeah, a lot of-
millwork in
lot of
here.
incredible detail.
Yeah.
Really pretty crown throughout. So let's come through.
It's gorgeous.
this.
I love the built-in by the fireplace. It's beautiful. To me, it's a little cold. I don't feel the warmth.
That's your job once you move in. You add your things and your layers to make it feel cozy and inviting and warm. And
High
this
ceiling.
is family space, right?
Yeah, for the kids, we can be here, we can be cooking, and just we can all be together.
The covered deck out here is great.
That's really
Oh,
nice.
wow, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good covered porch here. You can dine outside. You've got yard space for a little, you know, soccer and sports.
Now, I don't see a pool.
I know. There is a pool here in the neighborhood.
I love this room, it's beautiful. It's not country enough for my table. I don't feel it.
No.
Well, what?
I don't me she be happy there.
I think the table would look nice here.
Here's your answer.
Two against
It's a
one.
give and take. I just have to
Not that
laugh
much
at you
carpet.
because
carpet
it's the
to
one
on
thing
the
it could be
outside.
changed.
Oh, wow.
Two
Oh, this
wine-
is
two
really
wine coolers,
cool.
not one, two. I may be French, but I don't keep wine in my bedroom.
Yeah, but just think about it. We could have a glass of red wine every night.
And you can spill it on a gray carpet.
I don't spill. Oh, wow. These are really nice walk-ins.
It's really nice.
I know the carpet, but take a look at this room. It's
Goodness, this is
fantastic.
it's so
humongous.
big.
Yeah.
Henry would love this room.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a good-sized bathroom, too.
And then each bedroom has its own bathroom.
Yeah,
So
the
each
bathroom's
child
nice.
will have their own.
They've been asking for that for a long time, to have their own bathroom and privacy, so I think it's good. Yes, staircases are beautiful.
Oh, this is fantastic. Wow. Great space for my pool table.
You don't need to bring your 9-foot table. You can do with an 8-foot. Look at that.
Yeah, no, I'm
Yours is
definitely-
too big.
I'm definitely keeping my
You
classic
shouldn't.
table.
Yeah.
This one's a little more contemporary than mine.
I mean, it's exhausting. We have to drag that thing behind us every time we move.
He won't let it go. He wants and enjoys it.
I'm
right?
keeping my pool table, that's
Yeah,
for
you
sure.
probably would choose the pool table over me.
Not sure about that.
For me, I mean, there is no swimming pool.
But the landscaping here
It's
is
beautiful.
tremendous. Has a lot of nice spaces for the kids.
The problem is at that price point, you have so much carpet.
Stephanie? I understand.
Okay with the carpet, lots of beautiful details in terms of the decor and the,
It's beautiful.
the architecture.
It's a lot to think about. I don't feel the soul.
Right.
I want to speak with you about the updated French Ranch. It's very pretty. It's closer to the city.
I do like the yard for like where I can play soccer.
Yeah.
But I still would like a pool.
That house has a really nice basement, guys. It has a nice family space for watching movies, and it has a great space for a pool table.
Here is the European brick house.
This was the house that you guys wanted us to see.
It's a big house, but there are things you're gonna like. There is a gym. There's a movie room. There is a pool. There's a very nice lanai where I can see us having dinner there. You feel like you are in Europe.
But it's so far from the city, and it's expensive at the end of the day.
The other house we visited is a traditional, so daddy really likes that style. Less upkeep. I have some concern because it has a lot of carpet.
But this house had the most incredible family room and kitchen, all open.
It's a beautiful house. The basement is giant. Space for the pool, daddy's pool table, space for the gym. There is a full kitchen in the basement.
Did you say it had a pool?
No, it doesn't have a pool, but it does have a community pool. Rob, that's your only work to do today, grill the burgers. We picked the brick European house. It's beautiful, it has French flair to it. You like the house?
Yeah, I love it. So excited to swim.
The biggest compromise on this house was price. I was willing to go as high as 1.4, and we were able to get it at 1.425. So this is the house that the kids wanted us to see, but it's gonna make the family really happy.